Hello, my name is Wiwi. I'm the chef of Raja for Divers, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sambal. So what does it take to make a sambal? We need big chili, small chili, tomato, garlic, shallot, oil, sugar, and salt. First, we pour the oil and heat it up with medium heat. As soon as the oil is hot, we put all the ingredients inside, except the salt and the sugar, and cook it for about half an hour. Put the chili, tomatoes, garlic, and shallot. After cooking, we pour everything inside the big bowl and start grinding with a big mortar. The excess oil we can leave behind because we don't want our sambal to be very oily. Put the salt and sugar. And start grinding. If you don't like to exercise with your arm, you can always use your kitchen blender. Now your sambal is ready. I hope you enjoy it and thank you for watching.